Hello everyone, welcome back to Arab's Kitchen. Our channel has reached the 100 subscribers milestone and I want to thank all my subscribers for your support. Today I'm going to share with you a pulao dish. Pulao is a dish which is prepared by mixing rice and vegetables of your choice. What I'm going to show you today is green pulao. So let's get into my kitchen. We are in my kitchen. For the pulao, we will need 1 cup basmati rice. Please wash it and soak it for 15 minutes. While the rice is getting soaked, let us prepare the green paste. For the green paste, we will need 1 bunch of coriander leaves chopped. I am taking 2 green chilies and we will grind this. You can add a little bit of water. Just very little water so that I can grind it properly once again. This is how it should be, and you can take this in a bowl and keep it aside. Let us start preparing the pulao now. Switch on the gas and we will add two tablespoons ghee.
I recommend you to add ghee instead of oil so that the pulao has a very good taste. Allow the ghee to heat for about 1 or 2 minutes. It's now time to start adding the whole garam masala. We'll start with the bay leaves. Star anise 1. Cinnamon stick half an inch. Cloves about 4. Allow all of this to heat in the ghee for some time. Viewers, this green pulao, once it is ready, this whole garam masala taste and the flavor within the rice once it's ready will really give an elevation to the taste of the pulao. We will now add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Allow the cumin seeds to crackle. To this we will add sliced onion. Saute this until it is translucent. One teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Saute this along with the onion. One-fourth cup peas, green peas. 1/4 cup beans, chopped beans. Again mix all of this well. I have chosen mostly the green vegetables. You can also add broccoli in this. It's now time for us to add the soaked rice. Viewers, I am going to prepare this in the kadai, and you should notice the water content that I will add in it, which will make your rice and vegetables really not very soggy also. So that is the tip for making this kind of pulao that I will tell you. Mix all of this well, very gently. Please mix the rice along with the vegetables. We will now add the green paste which we had ground. So really the spicy taste here is of the green chili and the whole garam masala that we had included in the beginning. I have not added any other spice to this, and this should be enough. That is why in the green paste I have added 2 green chilies. Let's mix all of this well, very gently. We will need to add salt at this stage. I am going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. You can add salt as per your taste. We will mix all of this again very gently. So here is the tip. We had added 1 cup of rice. For 1 cup of rice, we should take 2 portions of water. So 1:2 portion of water, that should be really enough for the rice and the vegetables to cook. After adding water, mix this. What I will now do is this is actually on high flame. On high flame, you have to wait for 1 boil to come. As soon as you see that the 1 boil of water has reached, you'll need to close this pan with the lid, sim the gas, and wait for about 5-7 minutes for the entire pulao to cook. Please do not add more water, because otherwise the rice and the vegetables, it will become very soggy. Let us now taste this pulao to check if all the spices and salt is okay. So I don't feel anything is needed. It's really perfect. We can see this rice coming to a boil. At this stage, we can close the lid and sim the gas. Let's allow this to boil for about 7 minutes and come back. Let's look at the rice. It's around 7 minutes now. As you can see, the pulao has got the green color because of the coriander paste. The water has been absorbed and the rice and vegetables are not sticking to each other. I can also get a very nice smell of the garam masala that we have put. Let's close the lid just for about 2-3 minutes.
So here my pulao is ready. I'm going to have a taster today to taste this pulao and give us the feedback. Arjun?
Hi guys!
Do you want to taste this pulao and give them the feedback?
Yes.
Let's go ahead. I'm going to give you the spoon with raita.
Really good.
Wow. So you try it as well. I'm sure your children will like it too. Hit the like button if you have liked this recipe. Click on the bell icon to get notified on my future videos. Thank you for watching.